When I started, when I did my apprenticeship, I was on the red book, so I think 16th edition. Now we're on orange. Who chooses the colours and how does that decision get made?
I'm going to say it's a well thought out process that goes on for many years. There's always been a sequence, and the sequence has been around the colours of conductors. And then when you look at table 51, in chapter 51, we're seeing colours like turquoise and pink and orange. Now, orange was a colour that was used, and I'm going to say back in the 80s.
Oh, wow.
And that's why orange has been chosen again. But yeah, we were talking about black at one point, and I'll making that proposal forward, but it takes a lot of ink, a whole black page.
I bet that's one of the most hotly debated choices in the book, is what colour it's going to be.
It gets quite flippant, you know. The Scotsmen are shouting for tartan, and then they couldn't agree on the tartan. Don't forget to pre-order your copy of BS7671, and you can get it from the iet.org/gettheregs. And pre-orders available now until the publication date of the 15th of April 2026.